Hello everyone, it's me Shanzy and you watching your own channel Shanzy Designer. So how are you all? I hope all you guys fine, pretty and doing very well. If you worry about your dressing on your brother's or sister wedding, so don't stress because my today's video on your brother or sister marriage dress designing ideas, very amazing and super stunning maxis dress designing on your brother's wedding is very amazing ideas, flawless and luxurious ideas of maxis. Amazing color, amazing ideas and amazing fabric. You can find new and latest 100 of new ideas and 100 of new dress designing on my channel. You can find new and latest 100 of new ideas and 100 of new dress designing on my channel. And if you want to update it latest trend and latest dress designing ideas, so subscribe my channel and visit my channel for new and bestest ideas of dressing. As you can see guys, in this video very amazing, super stunning, luxurious and very demanding maxis dress designing ideas 2022 designing. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.